Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, May 2nd, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance. Also, PST, all documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, please send them to see Ms. Smith. There are very few left. I think maybe 10 or 12. Also, this says please do not send students to the testing area, but thankfully, testing has concluded. We will be doing a couple of makeups hopefully today, if our little friends have made it back. But we only have 2 or 3 of those, and then testing will be officially over. Our little makeup should not impede the regular flow of your day, and we will probably be taking care of those in the library. Today's late duty is Miss Overstreet, tomorrow is Miss Lee, Wednesday is Miss Hogan, Thursday is Miss Granger, and Friday is Miss Peralta. Important dates. This week is very important. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. And teachers, you are all appreciated. It takes every one of you to get this show going every day. And we are thankful for each and every one of you. May 2nd is our wellness clinic. May 5th is the DeBakey's drug bus. That's only for 5th grade. May 6th is School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th is SWAT for 4th grade. May 9th through 11th is iReady Reading Diagnostic K through 5. May 10th is Vision Research on Campus. May 11th is the graduation walk at Shepherd for the 2022 seniors. I heard that Miss Pate sent out the names to the classroom teachers for those students. So hopefully you can make some signs and encourage those seniors as they walk through the halls. They love to see signs with their names on them, just like the little people do. May 11th is National School Nurses Day. May 12th is Spring Picnic. May 18th is PST. And May 19th is Math PLT. Next Monday, a week from today, our iReady Reading Diagnostic will kick off. We will start with kindergarten and 1st grade testing in their classrooms first thing in the morning, whole group. Also on May 9th, Hamlin, Curtin, and Washington will be taking the iReady. On May 10th, 4th, 5th grade will test in their classroom. On May 10th, also in the Collab Lab and Computer Lab, we'll have Peralta, Battaglia, and Granger. And finishing us out on Wednesday, May 11th, we have Miss Bertolino. Now remember, once your students log into iReady and this window has opened, that will be the only option they have. So make sure that you are not going, if your day is the 10th or the 11th, make sure you are not going into iReady before then, because your student will only have the option to take the diagnostic. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. So for K1, we have Miss Clark's class with 30 minutes and 84% lessons passed. With 2nd and 3rd grade, some stiff competition right there. We have Miss Granger's, Miss Curd's, and Miss Bertolino's class all leading the pack. Granger's class had 30 minutes and 95% lessons passed. Curd was not far behind her with 84%. And in 3rd grade, Miss Bertolino had 92% lessons passed. So way to go for all 3 of those classes. 4th, 5th, also some very close competition. Wolf takes the top spot with 100% of students engaged in their time and 95% lessons passed. Right behind her is Miss Arch with 93% lessons passed, and Miss Moore with all of her students getting their time and 80% lessons passed. Top students for the week. K1, we have Paris Anderson in Miss Clark's class. 2nd and 3rd grade, we have Skylar Stokes, Jasper Beard, and Delaney Henderson, all with 10 lessons. And 4th, 5th, we have Zach Watson and Alex Coleman, both with 16 lessons, both in Miss Arch's class. Miss Arch's class got some stiff competition here lately. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd, and teachers. Make sure you enjoy your Teacher Appreciation Week. I believe there may be some sweet treats for you down in the lounge. Enjoy.